Good morning. Please take out your morning work folder and turn to page 11, the penguin with the 11 on his tummy. We're going to be doing a slightly different thing today. Our instructions are a little bit different, so it's important that you watch the video so you know what to do. So let's begin. It says, I can color the pictures in the word family. So the word family they've given me is at, A-T. So I have to look at the pictures and see which words end in A-T. The first one is cat. Cat. I can hear that A-T at the end. So I'm going to go ahead. Mine I'm just going to outline for you. Cat. How about cab? Cab. This is not part of the A-T family, so I'm not going to color it. How about fan? Not ending with A-T. How about bat? At. I hear that at the end, so I need to color in the bat. Right here I have can. That ends in an. I'm not going to color. And the last one is hat. So again, I hear that at the end in hat. Okay? In the middle, they have given me a sight word, and I have to write a sentence using the sight word. So, you don't have to use my sentence in this, but you may. Okay, we need to make sure we are doing this with a pencil. I'm going to start with the sight word, which is my. My mom is kind. Now, you don't have to write the same sentence. You can come up with your other sentence of your own. Just make sure that you use the word my in somewhere in the sentence. And remember that you use your spaces and try and keep your letters on the line. At the bottom, it says I can draw a picture to match the word. So they give me two words, and I have to draw a picture to go with it. The first one is at, bat. So I can draw a baseball bat, or I could also draw the mammal bat. I'm going to make the mammal because I think bats are kind of fun and cool. And they're such helpful animals, even if they are just a smidgen creepy. So there's my bat, okay? The next word I have to draw a picture of is pen. Pen. So P-E-N. I'm going to draw a pen. Again, it's a little bit tricky to do this with a mouse, but I'm just going to do the best I can. So there's my pen. Pen. So you just draw a picture of the word that they give you. Okay? Let's turn our page over and do the math side. Okay, check to make sure you are on Math 11, that there is a number 11 up in the ornament at the top. And we're going to begin. It says, I can color the snowflakes to match the addition equation. So I'm going to grab a nice crayon here, and I'm going to color these snowflakes so they match. All right, here is the addition problem. 3 plus 4. So my first number is 3. So I'm going to begin by coloring 3 snowflakes, one color, okay? That shows my first part of the equation. That's 3. Now I'm going to switch to a different color because this shows that I understand that there are 2 numbers that make up this equation. So for the next number, it's 4. So this time I need to color in 4 snowflakes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I've colored in the equation. Now I want to solve the equation. So I'm going to go back and grab my pencil. And the way I'm going to solve this is I'm going to count all the snowflakes that I colored. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if I have 3 and 4 all together, I get 7. All right. In the middle, I can write the numbers that come before and after. So they give me a number on the snowman's tummy, And I have to write the number that comes before and the number that comes after. So when I'm counting, 4 comes right before 5, 4, 5, and 6 comes after. With 9, the number that comes before is 8, and the number that comes after is 10. Alrighty, I'm going to switch back to a crayon and do the bottom part. It says I can color the base 10 blocks to show the number. So you guys worked a little bit with the base 10 blocks when we were learning these larger numbers. Okay, so I have to color 15. So I know 15 is one group of 10s. Here's my group of 10s. I'm going to go ahead and color this whole group of 10s with green. Okay, now I'm going to switch to a red crayon just to make this a little bit easier for you. That's my group of 10s, okay? And I colored in one tower of 10. Now my extras are 5. These are my ones. So now I need to color in 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now I have 15 blocks colored all together. 10 and 5 extra. Okay? Let's do that again with the next number. I'm going to go back to that green. So I have one group of 10. There's my 10s. So I'm going to go ahead and color this whole tower. There's my group of 10. And in the number 12, I have 2 extras. So now I need to color in 2 extras. So 10, 11, 12. And that's all I need to do. Good work. You can put your morning work folder away for now until you'll use it tomorrow.